Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I am just wanting to pop in and share some altered what are these pill boxes. I got these at a Korean um, market called, it was either H Mart or K Mart. No, it's not the the other Kmart. They've gone out of business. Um, so I took the Japanese, Korean, whatever was on these boxes, and I cut up some paper, and I think this is Hobby Lobby paper. Um, and I cut it to, what is it, 1 by 5/8 on each of these pill boxes, because when you open it, you get little goodies inside. And I filled each one up. There's some flowers um, and some bows, um, some of these clay bits, um, some pearls, flat back pearls. This is from a, oh my gosh, I got it at, what do you call it? TJ Maxx a couple of years ago, and it had all these letters in gold and some regular beads. So I tried to put some words in there. And then here are some clay bits of X's and O's. And I just cut the paper up, I inked the edges, and I glued them down. And then I just kind of decorated them with some bling, some lace. Um, these are like table scatters and some glitter hearts, and then some flat back, teeny tiny flat back pearls. And I love how these turned out. These are the Dollar Tree heart bling. I really like how that comes out. So now the next thing I'm going to do is make a dangle to put on this. This is the first one that I created. I just love how the papers turned out, and it looks so vintagey. I didn't put any lace on this one. I thought of that at a later date. Um, and then this one has buttons, um, some wooden hearts. I think I got these from Hobby Lobby. Conversation hearts, wooden hearts. Um, these are some of those hearts that I got at, I think it was at Dollar Tree. Here are some of those um, uh, table scatters. And then here's just some beads from my stash. These are some buttons, some sweet treat buttons, and then some big, I should have used like smaller beads, but those are the beads that I picked out from my stash. So yeah, these are my little altered pill boxes. I love how they turned out. I've never done these before. I've done the other Dollar Tree boxes, the pink and the black. Here, I think I have one. I have one here. I've decorated these before, but I've never done these. And these seems deeper for some reason. I don't know. But I love them, and yeah. So I just wanted to come on and share, and maybe I'll come back and show you the dangle that I create to put on these cute little Valentine embellishment boxes for some friends, or I might do a giveaway. We'll have to see. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.